Hello and welcome to 9 to East. In this video we're going to briefly explore forces and what they are. By definition, a force is something that occurs when two entities interact with each other. As a result of this interaction, there is usually, but not always, a movement, or it could be that there's a change in shape. The world around us is complicated, and you'll probably find that in some instances both of these phenomena will occur in an interaction. Let's have a look at a common example, a ball bouncing on the ground. As the ball bounces on the ground, it exerts forces on the ground and also experiences forces exerted on it. This causes movement, but it also causes a change in shape, particularly as the ball impacts with the ground. Now let's slow this animation down a little, particularly around the point of impact, so you can see the change in the shape. In general, we describe forces as being either a pushing force or a pulling force. And all of us are force wielders, even you. We exert a force on this block when we push it, and that's a pushing force. Similarly, when we lay our head down on our pillow at night, we exert a force, and that causes the pillow to change shape. But what about pulling forces? A magnet is a great example of something that exerts a pulling force, and it's also a great example of an entity being able to exert a force on another entity without having to touch it. The magnet, for example, can exert its force on this paperclip, but the paperclip needs to be close enough to the magnet for this to occur, so let's bring it a little bit closer. When the paperclip is close enough, it gets drawn towards the magnet. What's occurring here is that the magnet is exerting a pulling force. So just to review, forces are interactions between entities that either will cause a movement or a change in shape. But you have to remember there are times when neither will occur, at least to the point that we can see it. But we'll talk about those instances in future videos. For now, you just need to remember that movement and shape change do occur as a result of forces, and in general we describe forces as being either pulling or pushing. We hope that you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, please feel free to directly message us through YouTube or send us an email to 9toeasttv@gmail.com. Thanks everyone.